Alright, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you a newly developed tool for crafting a search string. And the application in this case is Google Search, Google Scholar Search, because Google Scholar is a very popular, it's free, but it's very powerful, and it's quite efficient in capturing relevant and key papers. Right, so the first thing you want to do is just to go to evidencegate.org. Right, once you into the evidencegate.org, then you navigate to SR tools, which stands for systematic review tools. So there are a few tools that are under development, and the other tools they're not ready yet, but they will be in the upcoming future. But for this video, we're talking about the crafting, a search string on Google Scholar tool. Right, so you click on U tool. Right, so I'd like to introduce the component of the tool like this. So you need to select a few criteria or options before you click generate search string right here. So for example, I have several topics, and this is the example topics only, and you can always add your own, but well, for now you can add additional keywords. I can't be sure if you can add like a total different out of this, but please comment and I will try to add to the list, because I think currently we only support these topics. Okay, all right, so for example, I have generative AI or Gen AI. So and then I select the populations that I want to target in my search string is students, for example, and then the field is English as a foreign language. I have a couple of fields, but English as a foreign language is a pretty common field. So, and then I want to search on major sources like Elsevier, Springer Wiley, Taylor Francis, things like that, and I click search string, and you see that it will generate for me because I select generative AI. So there is a list of default keywords, like when it comes to generative AI, it can be Gen AI, ChatGPT, large language model, artificial intelligence, and things like that. All right. And the second group is by population. You see that students, learner, pupils. So that is the group for the students. And then for the field, it can be EFL. Other words for it is English and foreign language, TESOL, things like that. And this is the source. So you see Wiley, 10 online, Emerald, thing like that. All right. So we have a search string right here. You just click on that, and it will lead you to a new page where you see that search string has been put into the search box, and this is results. And by the look of it, it looks pretty relevant. Okay. So that's look all good. Something else that I like to add to this tutorial is that you can actually add your own keywords. For example, in the generative AI like this, so this is already quite comprehensive. But if you want, you can say, I want to add a new keywords for large language model, which is the acronym of it, like LLM. All right, and as large language model, because sometimes people may use it. And the next thing you can do is, I want to add teacher as well. But then I also, well, for students, yeah, for teacher, it will generate, now if we click update, it will generate teacher, educator, and instructor. But if I want to add academics, I can do so by adding academics. All right. And then for the field, English as a foreign language is a field. But if I want to add, now look at this, it is already quite comprehensive. EFL, TESOL, ESL, or English learning. What if I want to add English language, and then I also want to add EIL? All right, so there are English additional language. So there are a couple of other, and I can just keep adding to it. And I click generate, and you see that academics have been added, and then English language or EAL has also been added. All right, so this string is pretty ready. We just click on that one and we'll open a new page, and it's all into the such string. Okay, now all we need to have a quick look, and we're happy with that, or we can just adjust the string as needed. Something that haven't mentioned is that you can check or uncheck this. So if you want to search for only on major sources of publisher, you can do this, or you can just uncheck that one to remove that one. Okay. All right, that's pretty much for this tutorial. I hope you find the tools somewhat useful, and if you have any feedback or suggestions, please comment. Well, I can't guarantee that I can address or add everyone's requirements to this list of the topic, but definitely you can add the major or common one. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now.